thunderstorm at my apartment on September 24th, 2024. 2-inch diameter hail. Put this in my freezer too. I got bigger ones in my freezer. 2 of them that were bigger. Every bit of 2 inches in diameter. Big old thunderstorm. That's a big one. Good one. Oh yeah. It was moving south. Hail core went right over me. Had about 50 or 60 mile an hour winds with it too. And some heavy rain. Good thing I didn't put my rain gauge out, or it would have been broken. Little glass tube rain gauge. That's it. That's a good one there. About it. Here's the biggest hail I picked up. The biggest piece is 2 1/3 inches long by 2 1/4 inches wide. And that's the one closest to the ruler. Yes, this was a nice big supercell thunderstorm. Some of them completely round. Some kind of flattish, some irregular shaped, typical hail shape, and that's that for this supercell thunderstorm. By the way, other reports from the area were hail baseball size 4 miles north of the village, and a tennis ball size as well. Baseball size hail is the largest. 4 miles north of the village. Officially, baseball size hail is 2.75 inches in diameter, 2 3/4 inches in diameter, and tennis ball size is 2.5 inches in diameter. And 2 3/4 inch diameter hail, the baseball size was 4 miles north of Edmond, and the tennis ball size hail was reported 4 miles west-southwest of Edmond. Baseball size 4 miles north of the village. And this is my hail here at the Rain Dance Apartments in northern Oklahoma City, just south of Edmond.